friends, how are you doing today? And thanks for joining me once again. This video is particularly to help you in improving your vocabulary. There are some words in the arts that are quite frequent. You will definitely encounter these words while practicing IELTS. It can be while listening, it can be while taking a reading test. You may use them in your writing, and certainly you should be using these words during the IELTS speaking exam. It is very important to be well aware about the meaning of these words, the part of speech, the pronunciation, and how exactly to use these words. So let's start today's session. So before I move ahead, I request you to please subscribe my channel and help me to grow more, and share my videos with other friends as well who are practicing IELTS so that they can also take benefits from my videos. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 words with you, and I will try to get you familiar with the meaning of these words. So the very first word of the day is lucrative. Many of you already use this word, and it is one of the common words, but lucrative means profitable. That means कोई फायदेमंद चीज. So for example, lucrative business. So it's a collocation, two words that goes together. Lucrative is an adjective, business is a noun. So lucrative business. Next word is simulate. Simulate means to imitate something or copy something. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात करें स्पेस साइंस की, यहाँ पर शायद आपको एक सिमुलेटर की पिक्चर भी नजर आ रही होगी. जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स होते हैं, दे प्रिपेयर देमसेल्व्स बिफोर एक्चुअली दे ट्रैवल टू स्पेस. तो यहाँ पर सिमुलेटर में क्या किया जाता है, वैसा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की जाती है जैसा एनवायरनमेंट वहां पर स्पेस में हो सकता है. सो टू सिमुलेट, सिमुलेट इज अ वर्ब. दैट्स व्हाट इट्स पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इज. The next word is sound very much similar. It is stimulate. So be very sure about the spellings and pronunciation of the two words, and obviously the meaning of the two words. Stimulate, जो मैंने अभी आपके साथ share किया, and stimulate. Stimulate is to bring something into action. किसी चीज को हरकत में लेके आना. For example, आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा जो हीरो होता है वो बेड के ऊपर लेटा होता है, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे वो मर गया, और तभी जो डॉक्टर आता है ऐसे करके उसके हार्ट पे जोर से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास थ्रू करता है, एंड ही ट्राइज टू स्टिमुलेट हिज हार्ट. ऐसे ही हम मूवीज देखते देखते कई बार एकदम से इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, रो देते हैं, हंस देते हैं, बिकॉज दैट मूवी स्टिमुलेट्स आवर इमोशंस. एंड ऑब्वियसली स्टिमुलेट इज ऑल्सो अ वर्ब. The next word is liable. Liable is a synonym for a very common word that you use, that is responsible, और एक और synonym इसका है accountable. So in words को आप जैसे मर्जी alternatively use कर सकते हैं. And what is the part of speech? I hope you have guessed it well. It is an adjective, क्योंकि able, able पीछे लगा हुआ है. ज्यादा words ऐसे रहते हैं. In fact, answerable इसी का synonym भी है, and again able at the end, that makes it an adjective. Next word is noxious. Noxious रहता है dangerous. हम इसको poisonous के साथ भी जोड़ते हैं. For example, अगर हम writing task की बात करें, noxious emission of noxious gases, for example chlorofluorocarbons या carbon dioxide itself, ये काफी dangerous या noxious हैं. And noxious is also an adjective, and OUS endings भी ज्यादा adjectives होती हैं. For example cautious person, जो बंदा, ऐसा person जो हमेशा बहुत ही alert रहता है. Next word discharge. मैंने अभी आपके साथ word use किया emission, and discharge is certainly a synonym for emission. Discharge of carbon. So not many students use it in the writing, but it's a very common word, and that will really help you to score more in the writing part. Emission बहुत सारे students ने सुना होता है. emit या emission वो use करते हैं, वो release भी use करते हैं, but discharge का use कम होता है. So as I expect some uncommon words from you, why not to try these kind of words which are very simple, you are familiar, but still not many students use. So it is BURGEON. इसकी pronunciation में ज़्यादातर students mistake करते हैं. Students BURGEON या कुछ ऐसा बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं. It is BURGEON, something that increases. So ग्रो करना, एक्सपेंड करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसका बिजनेस जो है ग्रो कर रहा है, burgeoned or burgeoning. The next word is exponential. Exponential or exponentially, that means that grow at a very rapid pace. आप इसका इस्तेमाल अपनी writing में use कर सकते हैं, especially task 1 where you see that the price was, for example, 10 rupees earlier on and it went up to 100, so the growth is exponential, right? And unfortunately जो coronavirus है उसके patients का number भी exponentially grow कर रहा है. The next word is rejuvenate, and ये बहुत सारे IELTS इंस्टीट्यूट बच्चों को रट्टा भी लगवाते हैं, and I hope you too have learned it already. Rejuvenate is to feel refreshed. जैसे हम बात करते हैं, you feel bored and you do something enjoyable activity, जिससे आप feel क्या करते हो? Rejuvenated. So rejuvenate is to rejuvenate, verb भी है, and you feel rejuvenated. और अगर मैं आपसे बात करूँ बॉडी मसाज की, 5-star होटल्स में वहां पर मसाज वगैरह होती है तो वहां पर बड़ा बड़ा करके लिखा होता है feel rejuvenated. And इसका एक और synonym है जो कम यूज होता है, that is revitalized, and the common ones are refreshed, re-energized, and many more. And finally, predilection. Predilection is किसी चीज के प्रति आपकी शुरू से ही लाइकिंग होती है या आपकी प्रेफरेंस होती है, कहीं आप जाते हैं आपकी पहली पसंद रहती है कोई चीज, so that is your predilection. For example, due to my predilection in the subject of science, I want to continue my further study in something, obviously a field related to science, for example engineering or something. I hope you found this tutorial quite interactive and interesting and you followed all these 10 words. Please always keep a paper and a pencil handy or your vocabulary book handy when you attend such sessions so that you can jot down these words and try to come up with a sentence with these words, and in the comment section try to share the sentence that you make with these words. I really appreciate that, and thanks for joining me for this session. Take care of yourself.